The biggest issue the majority of game developers have when learning game development is they want to learn how to make games by creating specific games. And this is not how you learn. For example, I see a lot of people asking, okay, do you have a tutorial how to create a GTA game? Do you have a tutorial how to create a first-person shooter, MOBA, whatever, strategy game, and so on and so forth? And they think if they go through this tutorial and follow it like that, and that's how they learn. But it's actually not the case, because it's not important which game you create. It's important what you learn, so that you understand below the scenes or behind the scenes, behind what is happening, how that game is being created, or that part in the game is being created. And you can probably find courses like this that, show you how to create an RPG game or this game or first-person shooter game. You can find those courses on Udemy and all of that stuff. And a lot of instructors are creating this because people are, asking for it. But do these people actually learn how to create games? No. Why? Well, because same thing as with tutorials. You just see more and more and more tutorials being published, and those same instructors are just publishing more and more courses. Like, what happened to the previous 300 tutorials that you published? What happened to the previous 100 courses that you published? Weren't they enough to teach people how to make games? Why do people need to buy new ones? Because they didn't learn from the previous ones. And why do they think the next ones will help them at all? Beats me. But it's not the right approach to learning how to make games. Do not think of, oh, I'm going to create this game and then I'm going to learn game development. That never happens. You need to focus on the things behind. So see how variables are created, how code is written. So you need to, and in most cases, all these courses and tutorials don't write clean code. The code is all over the place. They don't group things. They put too many things in the update function if it's Unity, or in the tick function if it's Unreal Engine. They overcomplicate the blueprints in Unreal with the spaghetti blueprints and all of that stuff. So you need to be careful what you are learning. So if you see somebody explaining behind the scenes how things are happening, if he shows, okay, this is how we move the character, but let's take a look at behind. This right here, this variable is to move the characters or to control the character speed. This variable over here is used to make him move left and right and yada, yada, yada. You get all of that stuff. But the most important thing is that you look behind the scenes and understand how actually something is created. And you watching this video probably went through many courses, many tutorials who create all of these games. But after you finish creating these games, do you actually understand how you created that game? Can you do it? This is the most important thing. Can you do it on your own? No, you cannot. And this is the reason why. And what's even worse, people who follow these tutorials and follow these courses, they then take these games and put them on their portfolio, and then they apply for jobs in game studios and wonder what happened when they get rejected. 100, 200, 1,000 other people follow that same course and have the same portfolio basically as you, and that's what happens. So remember, no searching for specific games. Search how things work behind the scenes. Understand that, and you will be good on your own. This is what we say all the time to our students. Our goal is not to sell you 30,000 courses. Our goal is to have you go through this one course, learn, and then you're good on your own. Then you can use whatever resources, books, other courses, tutorials. When you actually know how things work, it's okay to take a look at, some examples when you want to create something. But overall, you will not need tutorials to continue your learning journey. And this is basically how you do it, by following these guides that we laid out in this video.